So.
Photo or video?
Video ဒီဗီဒီယိုကတော့အိန္ဒိယနိုင်ငံ Reshikesh မြို့ကိုရောက်တော့တငယ်ချင်းတွေနဲ့ဟင်းချက်တင်တန်းကိုလေ့လာနေတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီ class မှာတော့ဒီ Kechury ချက်နည်းကိုအနည်းငယ်လေ့လာခဲ့ပါတယ် Kechury ဆိုတာကသမင်းရယ်ပဲရယ်အရွက်ကိုဟင်းခတ်အမွေးကြိုင်တွေနဲ့ရောချက်ထားတာဖြစ်ပြီးတော့အိန္ဒိယလူမျိုးတွေပိုင်းလာတဲ့အခါဖြားတဲ့အခါသူတို့ကဒါတွေကိုပဲချက်စားကြတယ်အာယူဘဲဒါမှာလည်းအစာချေလွယ်လို့ဒီ detox အစားအစာအဖြစ်အသုံးပြုကြတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒါဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုတွေချက်မလဲဆိုတာကြည့်လိုက်ကြရအောင်
And Rajasi food like a full creamy gravy, like a full oily, like a king style. Like king style, king style. Yes,
indulgent.
Yes, Rajasi food. And Tamasic food like this non-veg, like a evil food, like a eat meat, chicken, everything.
Raj.
Tamasic. That's why people have that kind of mind, like very fast aggressive.
Right.
If people eating like tamasic food, then they're very like fighting.
Quite aggressive.
Aggressive, very.
Right.
And it's not vegetarian, not vegan. You can eat chicken in Tamasik.
This is a tamasic. Chicken
Okay.
is a tamasic. Non-veg. All kind of the non-veg is tamasic food. Yeah. Teaspoon of coriander powder.
Coriander powder.
This is the gram masala.
Okay.
Little bit, not
Not
too
too
much.
much.
Not too much. Half teaspoon of fenugreek green leaves.
What? Fenugreek.
Fenugreek.
Okay. Yeah.
The cumin seeds.
Oh, nice. Just one pinch.
One pinch.
Okay.
Because we use later.
Okay.
This is a normal plain khichdi, yeah?
This is just plain.
Plain.
Okay.
No oil, nothing now.
Okay.
Cook it like that.
It has one pinch of what at the end?
The cumin.
Cumin. Okay.
Cumin. Kamina.
Yes.
Kamina.
It's nice.
On fire now, huh?
And you cook for?
Here is the lassi more. Nobody want drink. Here little more lassi. Yes, India. 3 is already. The smell. You can feel the smell also. Like khichdi. This is the air pressure, so we can cook like that.
Fresh.
This is the when you have a sickness problem.
Yeah.
Doctor says always eat khichdi. 1 to 2 pinch of coriander seeds. Then after, when it comes brown, yes,
Yeah.
so you can add ginger garlic.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Then after, chopped onion.
Yeah.
No spinach. Yeah, if you have a cooked spinach, you can add cooked spinach
Yeah.
and tomato together.
Okay.
If you have a vegetable, any kind of vegetable, you can cook same for that time.
Like broccoli.
Yes, it is very fast cook, but broccoli also fast. Yes.
But spinach is good for pita.
When we getting old, that time problem.
How old are you? You can't be getting old.
I'm very old, yeah.
How old are you?
I'm very old.
I'm older than you. Yeah. I know. With wine.
White wine.
No more oats.
Yes,
Okay,
Kechury.
make me smile. Cool.
Did you know?
No. It's too oily and too savory.
So should we just have garlic butter? Do you know what I'm going to have today?
No, tell me.
Tell him. So we went to the choir ceremony